This Chinese professor has gone viral for his views on Iran-US war. If you don't know him, in May 2024, Jiang Shuiqin made 3 predictions. 1. Trump will return to power. 2. US will attack Iran. And 3. Iran will win the war. 2 out of these 3 already came true. He's a Yale graduate, Harvard researcher, fellow of Royal Society of Arts, and he runs a YouTube channel called Predictive History with 1.7 million subscribers. His lecture is now viral everywhere because his track record speaks for itself. But the roadmap for his third prediction of how Iran wins runs straight through Dubai. That Dubai will die first. 90% expats will flee. The Strait of Hormuz will shut, water supply will get cut, the Gulf collapses, and hence petrodollar will also collapse. America will lose its grip. That is his chain of logic. Every link sounds right until you check the data. 5 data points. First, Dubai is not a petro state. Oil is less than 1% of GDP. Dubai is actually a logistic and trade hub. Jebel Ali connects 150 ports worldwide. Killing Dubai does not shut off an oil trap. It breaks a global supply chain. Second, we have heard Dubai is finished before as well. 2008 property crashed 60%. Then Abu Dhabi bailed it out with $20 billion. COVID grounded every flight. 2022, Houthi missiles killed 3 people on UAE soil. Same headline every time, same outcome every time. Third, Iran needs Dubai more than Dubai needs Iran. 12 billion a year in peak bilateral trade. An estimate of 300 billion in Irani assets in the UAE. 4 to 5 billion in shadow trade through Dubai and Sharjah in 2024 alone. Dubai is not Iran's target, it's Iran's bank. And now the UAE is weighing whether to freeze every dirham of it. That does not hurt Dubai. That collapses the Irani rial. Fourth, the Strait of Hormuz carries 20% of world's oil. But 90% of Iran's own export passes through it too. Closing it is not leverage. It is a suicide note for Iran itself. And Saudi and UAE bypass pipelines can already move 2.6 million barrels a day without it. Fifth, Dubai is not undefended. UAE owns its own THAAD system, runs Patriot batteries, and hosts over 5,000 US troops at Al Dhafra. THAAD intercepted ballistic missiles over Abu Dhabi in real time. And even the water dependency, the professor's strongest point, has been addressed. 26 billion liters of desalinated water stored 80 meters underground in the Liwa desert. Enough for 90 days. Professor Jiang got 2 predictions right. Respect for that. But his third prediction needs Dubai to fail. That's the first domino in his chain. And that domino was actually engineered not to fail. Dubai did not survive 4 crises in 18 years by accident. It survived because the people who built it and people who rule it designed it in a way to take a hit and keep moving. The diversification away from oil, the defense partnership, the water reserves under desert, the port that connects 3 continents. None of that is luck, that is vision, that is structure. In my opinion, Dubai will always come out strong and winning. Follow me if this video was helpful. I post videos on complex topics every day.